Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare the BMW Z4 versus the DAF 44. We'll explore how these two distinct vehicles, separated by decades of automotive evolution, stack up against each other. One is a sleek, modern sports car, while the other is a charming, practical classic. Understanding their core differences will help you decide which might be better suited for your needs. When it comes to performance, the BMW Z4 delivers a thrilling ride with its robust engines and agile chassis, designed for spirited driving. In contrast, the DAF 44, with its modest engine and innovative Variamatic continuously variable transmission, prioritizes smooth, economical urban travel. These cars offer completely different sensations behind the wheel, catering to varied driving preferences. Visually, the BMW Z4 exudes modern sophistication with its low-slung profile and aggressive styling, perfect for open-air cruising. The DAF 44, however, offers a charming, utilitarian aesthetic designed for everyday family use with its compact four-seater layout. Their designs reflect their intended markets and the automotive trends of their respective periods, offering unique appeals. Ultimately, choosing between a BMW Z4 and a DAF 44 depends entirely on your priorities. The Z4 offers modern performance and luxury, while the DAF 44 provides a unique slice of automotive history and simple, reliable transport. Both have their merits, but they cater to very different drivers. For more deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, please see the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.